Priscilla Batzel in Spring Hill, Florida, and this should be called part 2, but I think it's going to be part 1 because I'm probably not going to share the first part with you. It was a very, very white, light-colored scoop and swipe, scoop, drag, and spin, and this is just altogether too much white for me. So I want to do something with it, and I think I'm going to install some flowers. It's still damp. I just stuck my finger in it. It's from yesterday. So I'm basically going to give myself some colors in the background. Take away any paint chips I happen to find stuck to it. First one is Bahamian, or Bahamian. It's probably Bahamian Sea. It's a primary element. And I'm going to put in some sea glass, which is another primary element. I've got a whole bunch of greens out, as you might imagine. There are a few things I liked, like I'd like to save this thing that looks like an upside down butterfly, or it looks like it's upside down to me anyway. And I'm going to go until I don't feel like going anymore. I've got some, I believe, this is a Fandango I'm trying to use up. I've got a larger bottle of Fandango. I may swipe down through with my spatula. There, I just made something go away I really liked. So I'm thinking about setting up a pan of colors and using the leftovers to do something else with. Maybe a better scoop and drag. That is a combination of Wintergreen, Royal Sapphire, and Midnight Shadow. And I almost think I could just leave these right like they are, but I might also like to experiment with them. By using the spatula. I'm going to wipe that off in between thoroughly so I don't start with a smear. And then she lied about it instantly. I don't mind if it's sheer. If it looks like you can see the foliage through it. I don't mind using my leftovers. I don't mind that at all, actually. I'm discovering I like that a lot. So I'm just pulling colors I have down. Might put some purple in there. I like purple with my greens. It's the color of shadows. Midnight shadows. So let's put a little tiny bit. Let's see how I like that. I like that quite a bit. I'm just going to keep working at it. I've got some bitter lime. Didn't do anything good for that butterfly wing I was looking at. That's some more of that mix of wintergreen and etc. Let's do more of that. I don't think you need to draw the whole line. I think so long as you have a blob, you can pull things down through. Like so. I'm going to take my residuals I'm not going to color the whole bottom, but I'm going to let some of it be transferred from my finger across the white. And maybe the purple. Alright, that's no big deal. So I'll show you that. Will I? Yeah. Let me see what I want more of that sea glass. I really like that. I don't know how I got something out of it the first time. With that tab stuck there. Okay, now it's time. I'm glad it's a light coat because I don't really need to make the moist paint that's under the center too much more moist than it is. Although I am going to add shovelfuls of paint, so I'm going to show that to you. It makes a better background than it did a painting. Put some of my greens away and get ready to bring out. I'm just gonna, I don't think there's anything there that can drip. I'm not gonna worry about the bottom right now either. There's my pan, there's my shovel, there's my Glad Present seal that I hope stays stuck to the bottom. There's some Chantilly lace. Some wild orchid. Prizm pours both. I'm going to go until I fill up the base. This is some blue velvet. It's a Prizm pour. This is Tempting Tulip. I need to mix some more of this. No, that's Tango pink. Wow. I grabbed the wrong color. That's okay. I thought it was something else. And I think I have something else. There's Tempting Tulip. Similar but not the same. That just makes me want my Rhapsody Rose. Tempting Tulip. Nice variation. It is what I originally thought I wanted. Let's go for some Orange Crush. That's Prizm Pour. This is Jasmine, Primary Element. I have Sour Lemon Prizm Pour with a little bit of orange. Or it could be Orange Crush, it could be Vivid Enamel. Vivid Intenses work great as a tinting agent. And maybe last, maybe not. I still want some more of that Rhapsody Rose. This is the Saffron. Hopefully I've spread enough colors in different areas so that I don't need to worry about having too much of one color and not the rest. I think a little tiny bit more my Wild Orchid. I'm looking and seeing what I might want else. I kind of thought it would be cool to put some gold in there. I've got some Bling It Golden Maple. I don't think you could hurt anything by adding gold. I kind of want... Yeah, I'm going to put some of the... I could have put Mystique in. If you have Mystique and you don't have this Pebeo Iridescent Blue-Green, that would work too. Am I still going to put the gold in? The Golden Maple is a Bling It. Look for the Colourarte coupon code. Underneath Show More. Not sure about... I know that'll dry beautiful, so it doesn't matter. Alright, I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to have to paint this right side up, I think. I'm just going to grab and make a little V shape. I'm not minding those too much. I was inspired by one of my old paintings. I may put some shovel dots in there. Yeah, I'm not minding that at all. They're kind of hefty for the dots I had in mind. They're not exactly what I had in mind. The paint is heavier than the last time I did this. I guess I'll call that a bud. Or I'll just change its shape. Sorry about my head. I'm not sure when I'm going to be done, but it's coming right up. I'm going to put some stems on my flowers. I hope that's dry enough to actually move a little. Yeah, I got the V back I wanted. Now it's easier for me to dip the shovel in. Let's scrape off the bottom so I don't drip everywhere. I guess they can be big dots because they're stylized. So I used to use the skewer. I think I'm going to go ahead and move this over here. Or try. Yeah, I'm happier with that. So that's kind of a simple fix, huh? And we can live and hope it doesn't crack. Come on, shovel. Yep, I dripped. Put a little one down there. I'm not sure I want any more. Maybe one more. Alright, now it's time. I'm going to put a cover on. If I've got one handy. I thought I had one handy. Well, I've got a partial cover. It'll be better than nothing. Now it's time to grab the Fandango. Wow, that went a long way, I'm surprised. I might put a skewer in and straighten out some of the lines. I could put more foliage in the bottom. I'm not sure I need to. So please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I'd really appreciate it. I'm going to avoid putting one in that one high up. But I am going to grab a skewer. And make my leaf pointed. Pull my stem down. Maybe even put a little leaf up next to the, whatever that base is called. So I should show you pretty quick. I don't know why I'm obsessing about making a solid line. It's pretty impressionist bunch of flowers. Probably is unnecessary. Oops, I found the wet paint. Alright, I think there's a couple more of these and then we're done. Couple three. If I need any fix, I'll do it after. I like the painting as a background. I think I can shimmer that at you. I have my phone. I might tweak the shape of the little ball. Definitely, as far as I'm concerned, good use. I mean, you could use pretty much any failed scoop and drag in my opinion, but I think that's pretty sweet. I can even zoom in closer. And hopefully it dries nicely. Yeah, that's really nice. Alright, thanks for being here. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you and finding my 2 books there. Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos and processes and tools and paints I made for YouTube. Underneath Show More, you're going to find a Colourarte coupon code and also a 10% off for pixel paint designs where you can buy Australian Floetrol and many other things that you might be interested in augmenting your Colourarte products. My Amazon link is a great place to shop at no added cost to you. I have 1 minute left. That went by really fast. Alright, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for the donations. Thanks for the memberships. The donations through PayPal. You can find the icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Thank you to the members who are enjoying almost 100 videos for members only. What else can I tell you? My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. If you need my help, please leave me a comment, and I have over 30 lists of 100 videos, and they're organized by topic and genre as well as by the 100, and if you need something you can't find, I'm happy to help you. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork, and I suspect you're probably gone by now. I'm going to add a few more dots, and then I'll be done. And I'm going to say goodbye for now. I love you all. You inspire the heck out of me. If I've forgotten anything, it's Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, all on my link tree along with my website. Check it out. I love you guys much. You inspire me often. Goodbye for now. Priscilla out.